ended 31st March 2025. The third item is an ordinary resolution for the reappointment of Mr. Arjun Lamba, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment.
The next item is for the reappointment of myself as a director. May I therefore ask Mr. Shubhamoy Saha to take the chair for this item of resolution?
Thank you, Dr. Burman.
So Mr. Shubhamoy Saha is now in the chair for the fourth item of business, which is a special resolution for the reappointment of Dr. Anand Chand Burman, who retires by rotation and offers himself for reappointment and will attain the age of 75 years in the year 2027.
May I now request Dr. Burman to take the chair again?
Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Burman is in the chair for the rest of the items of business. Now the special business. The fifth item is a special resolution for the specific annual approval as required under the SEBI listing regulations for the payment of remuneration to Mr. Arjun Lamba, non-executive director, in continuation of the consent of members accorded at the 88th AGM held on 2nd of August 2023 and 89th AGM held on 3rd August 2024 by way of a special resolution. The sixth item is an ordinary resolution for ratification of the remuneration payable to Messrs. Money and Company, the cost auditors, for auditing the cost accounts of the company in respect of the products as applicable for the year ending 31st March 2026. The last item is an ordinary resolution for appointment of Messrs. MKB and Associates as secretarial auditors of the company for 5 consecutive years from FY 2025-26 till FY 2029-30. The text of the resolutions along with the explanatory statement is provided in the notice circulated to the members. Since this meeting is being held virtually, the resolutions are put to vote only through e-voting. We shall now invite the members who have requested to speak. Only those members who have registered themselves as speaker will be allowed to speak today. May I request that question or observations should be restricted only to the item in the agenda open for discussions. To avoid repetition, Mr. Shubhamoy Saha, the Managing Director, shall respond to your queries at the end. Any pending questions shall be answered by the company suitably post the AGM. I now request the moderator to start the question and answer session.
Good evening, everyone. We shall now commence the question and answer session. We shall now invite the first speaker, Mr. Manjeet Singh. Mr. Manjeet Singh is not there with us right now, so we'll move ahead. I would request the next speaker, Ms. Lily Pradhan, to please ask her question. Ma'am, you are unmuted.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may switch on your video also if you wish so.
Okay. My very good afternoon, all chairpersons and all viewers. Myself, Lily Pradhan, long-time shareholder from Kolkata, attending the meeting through video conferencing. I am obliged that the management has given me chance to speak at AGM. First of all, I would like to thank the Board of Directors, respected Chairman Sir, respected MD Sir, respected CFO, respected Secretary Ma'am with Secretarial team for wonderful arrangement and guiding me in advance for attending the AGM through video conferencing. Please must be busy in future because any part of the world abroad persons can participate and express their views. As a secretary, ma'am, Shampa Ghosh Rai madam, always coordinate with me, even all shareholders. Kanchan Pandey madam, very good, appreciative, personalized human beings. Overall, very good investor services. Chairman sir, I am really proud to you for being a polite, decent, hardworking, and patientful behavior. I hope our company will better to better in coming future under your leadership. Go ahead, good wishes always with you. I received email of notice well in advance. And I wholehearted support all resolution by e-voting. I am very happy to know that the company's performance is developing a lot, which is sustainable growth in nowadays. Credit rating of the company is very good. Now I have put some specific question and request in present situation. What measures have been taken to improve operation margins, especially in the face of input cost fluctuation? Second, what is long-term vision for the core battery segment given increasing competition and changes in energy storage technology? Third, is the company planning to diversity further into appliance, rechargeable batteries, or solar energy product? Nothing more. Thank you so much. With the best and warm regards. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta to please ask his question. Sir, we have unmuted you.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Good afternoon, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Kumar Gupta. I've joined this meeting from Calcutta. First of all, I thanks to you and your team for an excellent result of the company for the year 24-25. Thanks for dividend and thanks to the company secretary and her team to help us to join this meeting through VC. And sir, what's your future plan? And have you any plan to export the brand Eveready product to globally with the tag of make in India by Eveready to fulfill the vision of our Prime Minister for Make in India and Made in India to export the product? And how much our ESG rating as on today, sir? And when do you expect to complete the Jammu plant? And what will be the total cost of Jammu plant, sir? And sir, you are so weak in the western and central part of the country. So kindly keep focus to promote the brand in central and western India, because central and western part is very weak for the everyday. And now the government has opened the liberalize, and sir, government is giving contracts for lighting and other items. You are in the fifth place in the lighting, so you should fill the tender to get the government contracts for metros, stations, highways, offices, and other places. Kindly, and other municipal corporations in different part of the country to get the tender from the government authority. When I also warm welcome Mr. Parikh and Mr. Alag. They are in the board, and company will get benefit from their vast experience, because Mr. Parikh and Mr. Alag has a vast experience in the finance and marketing. Mr. Alag is a superior in the marketing, and Mr. Parikh is in the finance. So he can give you a vast idea to invest and grow in the company in that region. And sir, when company will be Dabur to return to the employees and the investors? After your takeover, we were expected that we will get a good return, but there is no such type of return like Dabur. So when we will get return like Dabur under your leadership? We are great admirer of Burman family, and we know that they run the company transparent manner. So when, and sir, kindly make a plan to come to Calcutta after your acquisition. You are not coming to Calcutta, and make a plan to meet the investor and the employees. And I strongly support resolution number 4 and resolution number 7, sir. With this, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Dipayan Pradhan. Sir, you are unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may also switch on your video if you wish so. Yes, sir.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for having the meeting on an online platform. It's very helpful for people like us joining from overseas. I had a couple of questions, mainly about the revenue of the company. Would you give us an elaborate highlight of how we are planning to assert a dominance in the dry cell and lightning segments, mainly with competitions like Amar Raja and Excite coming up. They are doing very well in these segments. And I had a question about the debt equity ratio. How are we planning to improve that ratio? And one more thing about investments in a manufacturing department. How are we planning to improve the efficiency in manufacturing, mainly if we are planning to induct any new technology or something like that? Just elaborate on that. And there was a compliance issue with NCLAT. What's the status on that? If you would please elaborate on that. And just a second.
Okay, thank you so much.
पिछले साल कितना कार्बन रिड्यूस इमिशन रिड्यूस किया है और 100% का कब तक टारगेट हमारा, ये भी बताइएगा सर। सर ईएसजी रेटिंग अगर अच्छी है तो उसको हमारी कंपनी के प्रॉफिट के लिए या हमारी कंपनी के फायदे के लिए हम किस तरह यूज कर सकते हैं। जैसे कई कंपनियां ईएसजी बॉन्ड या ग्रीन बॉन्ड निकालती है और फिर उसको शेयर मार्केट में लिस्टेड करवाती है, जिससे कि अपने पास ऑप्शन होता है पैसा मार्केट से उठाने का, और जब लिस्टेड करवाते हैं तो उसके भाव से भी हमारी कंपनी की गुडविल का पता चलता है। और सर ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, यही है कि आपका कैपेक्स प्लान क्या और नया प्रोडक्ट की बिगर डाइवर्सिफाई नहीं करने से हमको बहुत कंपटीशन होगा, क्योंकि मार्केट में निपोन आदि कई कंपनियां हैं जो बहुत कंपटीशन में है। अतः मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा विचार करिए, और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं। आने वाले फाइनेंस ईयर से 25-26 की आप सभी को शुभकामना देता हूँ। भगवान से हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूँ फाइनेंस ईयर 25-26 हमारी कंपनी के साथ साथ में जितने भी हमारे एसोसिएट हैं उनके लिए हेल्दी, वेल्दी और प्रॉस्पर और सेफ्टी के साथ व्यतीत होगा सर। सर मैं आने वाले राष्ट्रीय त्योहार और आपकी फैमिली के पर्सनल त्योहार की भी शुभकामना देता हूँ, और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ ये त्योहार आपकी जिंदगी में, हमारी सबकी जिंदगी में खुशियां लेके आए सर। मैं सर इन टाइम का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ काफी अच्छी मॉडलिंग करने के लिए। आशा करते हैं फ्यूचर में इसी तरह का वो हमसे इवेंट मैनेजर का काम करेंगे। और सर एक बात ये जरूर है कि बीसी मीटिंग रखिए सर। इससे क्या है कि हम कलकत्ता, जैसे आप लंदन से ज्वाइन कर सके सर, है हम कलकत्ता से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, कई डायरेक्टर और भी जगह से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो ये पॉसिबल है सिर्फ बीसी के कारण। तो भाई से मीटिंग में वीसी मीटिंग कंटिन्यू रखिए, जिससे आपके प्रति और हमारे जितने भी कर्मचारी भाई बहन इस फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं उनके अच्छे काम का हमें आभार प्रकट करने का मौका मिले। जय हिंद, जय भारत, राम राम।
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, respected Chairman, MD, Board of Directors, Company Secretary, fellow members, joining at 98th AGM of Eveready Industries Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak, joining from Damdam, Kolkata. At first, my esteemed gratitude to our Company Secretary, Mrs. Shampa Ghosh Roy, and Deputy Company Secretary, Mrs. Kanchan Pandey, and entire leadership team for sending me the notice of AGM very well in advance by email and allow me to speak. Sir, their opening remarks, respected Chairman and MD, very prospective and optimistic to my company's performance. Also, thanks to my company's management team for excellent financial year 28. Near about profit after tax achieved 82.38 crores and cash generated from operation near about 331.28 crores. Also net worth 331.28 crores and excellent financial performance and PAT margin improved by 6.1%. Sir, some views we like to share. Present status of commercial production on Jammu Sidco Industrial Complex facility for production alkaline batteries, and capex was near about 180 crores. Share your thoughts, our business perspectives in alkaline batteries. Also last year, near about 14% near about business from there and expected margin from this. Share your thoughts. Apart from our present offerings, are we diversified any new products in current financial year? Also, are we concentrated our distribution models apart from existing distribution model from social media or other modern trades? Share your thoughts. E-commerce. Also, there are very potential unorganized players in electrical accessories. So, have you any planned acquisition from these unorganized players? Because it mentioned that lighting business navigated a difficult pricing environment. Share your thoughts about this. Also, our expected revenue growth financial year 26 and expected EBITDA margin. Share your thoughts. Our CapEx program. Share your thoughts in research and development to ensure next generation batteries chemistry, alkaline and lithium solution guided by PLM, PRM and TRM. Share your thoughts about this. And I notice our debt to equity ratio reduced from 0.8 to 0.7 and net debt 288.5 crores as on 31st March 25. Share your thoughts our debt reduction policy and also our present market share in battery. Share your thoughts because revenue near about 64%. Also, there are very competitive players there. Are we benefited with PLI scheme in production units? And sir, what are our export strategies? Because last year, yes, foreign exchange earning near about 6.88 crores. And also the Green Devil India Limited foreign subsidiary not present registered any profit. Also the business growth, Everspark Hong Kong Private Limited revenue near about 0.59 crore and net profit at 0.06 crore. Share your thoughts about these subsidiaries. Also, the present status of the CCI order dated 19/4/2028, rupees 171.58 crores. Any viability for this totally abolished? Share your thoughts about this because we have taking strong attention this there. And I noticed inventory reduced, inventory increased to 278 crores against 250 crores. And current financial year, our inventory turnover ratio. Share your thoughts about this. A very good company, and I think full support of the entire resolution. And praying to God, primary to good health of our respected chairman and everybody associated to my company for good health and prosperity year on year. Thanking you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Dilip Kumar Das. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may also switch on your video if you wish so.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Baba. Good evening, Chairman, sir, all board of members, and my all stakeholders of Eveready Industries Limited. This is 98th annual general meeting by our company in VC mode, which is success. Myself, Dilip Kumar Das. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Myself, Dilip Kumar Das, shareholder and executive member of Kolkata Welfare Association of Small Shareholders, joining my residence at Kolkata. Very good, excellent service from your secretarial department. I have received annual report containing 271 pages, which is very informative and attractive also. In our annual report tagline, covered with power up, accelerate, collaborate, and innovate, is appropriate. Very good result in all sides, 30% dividend and good CSR activities also. Sir, my question is, are you thinking opening retail shop in Calcutta and other areas for purchase of real product of Eveready to avoid fake product? Sir, who is our brand ambassador? Sir, are you thinking diversify any business with the help of AI technology? Sir, I have wholeheartedly support all the resolution for our super management team, and I believe under your leadership, our Eveready will be in the sky. I have honored that company secretary have given me a chance as a speaker in this meeting. Thanks to our company secretary and her team. Lastly, I wish you and your Eveready family members for good health and prosperity with advance greetings, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, and Happy Independence Day. Sir, no other matter. I back to you for further proceeding. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta. Sir, we have unmuted you. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may also switch on your video if you wish so.
Hello, 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 am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good evening, everybody. Respected chairman, distinguished board members, esteemed KMPs, ex-superintendent Vibhasia secretarial team, and my fellow shareholders visiting this basic meeting. I, myself, Tapas Kumar Datta, an equity shareholder of Eveready Industries India Limited. Page 269, 270 and 271. Pursuant to Regulation 36(3) of SEBI LODR and SS2 issued by ICSI, some key parameters in connection with directors seeking appointment or reappointment are omitted. Nationality, category of director, and terms and condition of appointment. These 3 points are omitted. In corporate information page, secretarial auditor and cost auditor could have been included. Page 3. We have finalized plans for infill production facility. Sir, do you have any planning of acquisition in inorganic way? Page 34. ESG journey through energy, waste management, water management, etc. It is not clear, have you taken ESG rating from any agency? It is not mentioned. Page 46 and 47. Company is operating in 3 segments. Why don't you show segment-wise P&L account? Page 47. Your company is strategically leveraging its established distribution infrastructure. Sir, why don't you have international footprint? Share capital. Information regarding share capital is omitted in director's report. Page 52. Capital investment on energy conservation equipment 4.08 crore. What benefit have you derived from this investment? Page 77. Shareholding pattern. How many numbers of shareholders are in each category? Market price data during the year under review and share price movement in comparison with BSE, Sensex and Nifty are not shown in CG. CEO and CFO certification in terms of Resolution 17(8) of SEBI LO year 2015 is not appended to director's report. Page 85. Turnover rate of permanent employees and permanent female workers is very high. How would you build up efficient employee and workers? Page 127. Prolonged disputed dues pending in the court is increasing legal expenditure. Why don't you move for a mutual settlement? Page 141. What is the least status of right of use asset? Page 149. Stores and spares increased by 281.76 lakh in a year. Why don't you make provision on non-moving stores and spares? Page 150. Trade receivable. In this case, movement in change in allowance or expected credit loss and credit impaired is not shown. Page 166. Disaggregation of revenue based on industry, vertical, customers profile is not shown. With these few remarks, I would like to conclude. Thank you for present hearing. Over to you for further questioning.
Thank you so much, sir. Proceeding ahead, we shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Tarak Nath Chakravarti. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please introduce yourself and you can switch on your video also if you wish so.
Good evening, Mr. Chairman, valuable, sincere Dr. Barman Sahib, and our very sincere ability board of directors, and our very good and nearest to Ma Lakshmi's company secretary, Champa Goharai, Ghoshrai and Kanchan Pandey is really we are very proud feel, and two women is a very intelligent, good manner, very good thinking and very cool brain work and efficiency ability percent. Mr. Chairman, you're joining the company. I am very sure your this year annual report expected 9 of monumental pillar. Sir, page, printing, color matching, photography, your product and standard accounting position expected 9. Sir, I come back to accounts. Sir, last year your turnover position 13.14.18 lakh 24 and 25 your turnover 1343.92 lakhs, more than 29 lakhs your over income. This is the last year figure. Profit margin this year you're very good. 140.29 to 153.31 lakh, and parallel your EPS earned 9.12 to 11.43%. Parallel your pay the company dividend. Last year you have paid the 20%. This year increase is 30%. I am very sure, Mr. Chairman, minority shareholder and try to best 3 reasons. One of the part of company sale, company profit and company pay the dividend. 3 observation and 3 want to our see is fulfilled. Mr. Chairman, I am sure your accounting standard allows you are try to make a cost control and cost reduce, and your productivity, battery, torchlight, electrical equipment and domestic home appliances your product, and same parallel your try to make a turnaround. Your expectation is further come back to our target coming year 2025-26 is 2000 crore. Our board of directors, your achievement, I am sure, and your 2 secretaries, Malakshmi, is your joining the company. We are, I am very sure, Mr. Chairman, your company day after day is a too much increase. I observation your annual reports are page 287. Only 1 to 181 standalone account we are observation. All our accounting standard position is very neat and clean. No regrouping, no printing mistake, no account here and there is transparently. But sir, I want request, sir, as per senior accountant in our company, sir, 10 years financial highlights, sir, you put the accounting position. Sir, financial highlights is reason of account. Sir, at present, our company 90 years old, but 10 years you have financial highlights, you attach the annual report, the accounting dignity. Every shareholder, those are follow up the accounts division. Sir, I am 9 number speaker. Sir, only except Tapos Datto. Other 7 account shareholder are not tally and not show the account. It is very harmful. So naturally, sir, it is my opinion. This year you have put the 10 years financial highlight. I know briefly discussion. I thanks. I pray the God keep safe your health. After that, enjoy your work. And I lastly, our company valuable Madam Secretary keep health, good health, and all our members and joining webinar VT group. Thanks are all person. Over to microphone further proceeding to chairman. Thank you, Taraknath Chakraborty, senior shareholder, form to speak to Calcutta. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mrs. Sudipta Chakraborty. Ma'am, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may also switch on your video.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Sudipta Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata. a shareholder of Eveready Industries Limited. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better in coming future. For our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. I always use Eveready product as battery, and like me, thousands of Indians always use Eveready. This is the proof of our brand. Sir, I just want to know how can you control your liabilities and interest cost? And my second question is, how would you implement green energy in your business? I casted vote along with my family members in favor of you. Thank you, sir. Please consider some rewards for the attending member. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, we shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Gautam Nandi. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good evening and namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi from Kakurgachi, Kolkata. Very old equity shareholder of your company. I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report along with notice and necessary joint link through email well in advance. So special thanks to our respected company secretary, Ms. Champa Ghosdar, and her whole team of your secretarial department, including her assistant, Ms. Kanchan Pandey. Very sober, well behaved, and a very dynamic lady for rendering good services to our minority shareholders. So, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference, and I find it's a grand success like the previous years. So, I'm very pleased to receive your wonderful annual report, which is very, very informative. I find very good performance in every segment, even in this challenging year. So, your CSR is also very, very good. So, please keep it up. So, MD sir, respected MD sir, your introductory speech was very encouraging. So, thank you again, sir. So, very pleased to receive your very good dividend. So, I'd like to know what is your roadmap for the next 3 to 4 years. One thing, sir, definitely you have adopted the latest AI technology in your company, I think. Now, I'd like to know how this new technology is helping our company for further modernization. So, what is the safety measure taken by our company in different and your premises? Please let us know. Sir, is there any plan for expansion program or any diversification program in near future? Sir, are you planning to acquire any new company in this year? Sir, I personally use our various products. As per the price and quality is concerned, it is remarkable, it is marvelous. So thanks again, sir. Sir, I am very pleased and very proud to be a shareholder of your company. I have full trust with our strong management like you, and so along with my family, wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which we have already casted through our e-voting. So, looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend, if possible bonus, and may God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much. Myself, Gautam Nandi, signing off. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Atanu Saha. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself. Yes, sir.
Yes. I, Atanu Shah, a shareholder of Eveready Industries. My respective chairman and board of directors and independent directors, our Shubhayan Shahji and our Anand Chandra Barmanji, and our company secretary, Madam Shampa Ghoshran, and our total team, along with our Kanchan Madam, though who informed me on time to attend this meeting. Thanks to everybody. Sir, my previous shareholder already raised, and it's the 90th annual general meeting, which is going on 5th August 2025. Sir, my previous shareholder already raised number of queries, and they are valuable queries, the matter of accounts, and so on, so on. Sir, matter of our chairman already informed us the matter of 23% profit increase and also ROE 16.4%. Sir, as far as my question is, what is our future plan, mainly the area of electronics amenities and also solar panel area, and how do we mitigate our threats, sir? Different threats. So please, if possible, sir. And sir, the matter of the annual reports are 255 pages, beautifully organizing our company secretarial department. Sir, please, I have not yet received that one. Please send me on my system wise, sir. And the matter of CSR activities, I'm requesting, please think about the sports area. Sports area. It's I, Atanu Shah. I wish a good year ahead, good result and good dividend. And do we meet again? It's our Eveready. Give me power, give me rage, innovate, collaborate, and accelerate our next generation future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, we shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Jaideep Bakshi. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself. You may also switch on your video if you wish so.
Yes, very good evening. Chairman, MD, and Board of Directors and other key major persons, myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our Company Secretary, Shampa Ghoshari, Madam, and also to Kanchan Pandey, Madam, for giving me an opportunity to express my view and maintaining good cordial relations with the shareholders and presenting a detailed and informative annual report. Sir, your initial speech was very much informative, highlighting about our different products and also our future prospects. And congrats once again for the steady top-line growth and excellent performance we performed. Sirs, kindly share our growth priorities and plans to continue our growth momentum, banking on the emerging opportunities, and plans to counter this inflationary pressure. And what is the percentage of market share are we enjoying at present? And status of our batteries plant in Jammu coming up, kindly share some thoughts. And our support for technology to provide energy efficient solutions and expand our product base. What is our thoughts? CSR activities well explained from pages 37 to 39, and also our ESG journey well shared also. And what is our plans to utilize our resource in reserves rather in future? And personally using our products and really satisfied with the life of our products. And a company mainly exposed to currency in US dollars and Chinese yuan, and how much has been this impact on our margins? Kindly share some thoughts. And I've supported all the resolutions and wish the company continue the lighting up the lives with our dynamic presence through brand Eveready, along with the trust of all stakeholders, and company grow to new heights. Thank you, madam. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Redippa Guntluru. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself, and you can also switch on your video if you wish so.
Yeah, thank you. My chairman, board of directors, my company secretary, Shamra Goji, and my fellow members. Good afternoon. Namaste. Myself, Redippa Gunduru, attending this Eveready Industries AGM from Hyderabad. As a shareholder, I'm very happy, proud about the company performance financial 25. Chairman sir, your speech is very wonderful. You have given me nice information about my company progress and future and past also. Congratulations, wonderful speech. Company secretary is very good team. They sent annual report to me well in advance as requested. Thank you so much. I've gone through the annual report, wonderful number, figures, pictures, and especially I'm very happy with 90th annual general meeting I'm attending from VC. From childhood, I'm battery lights. While I'm going to the paddy fields with my father, I have very good memories. This everyday quality lights, battery lights, and also everything, sir. My childhood days are now memorable, sir. Thank you so much for quality productions are giving to the nation. Sir, and also I gone through the annual report, wonderful transparency, high ethically, high-handed, high standard, the governance are maintaining, payments are under your ladies, highly appreciative, congrats to all the our KMPs and also accounts team, middle management, everybody, the CS team and also the CFO team has the manager and also given wonderful the annual report. Congratulations, God bless you. Without them, this not happen, the annual report preparation. CSR also very wonderful doing the speedy, needy, and as also rural area development and also the education support to the rural. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please do needful to the girls' child education and orphans, especially the single parent. The girls' child also please support them, sir. The education especially. Lakshmi, girl is Lakshmi. Lakshmi support करा तो society अच्छी होती है, घर भी अच्छी होती है. Sir, thank you so much for reward financially for wonderful performance, sir. Here my question, sir. About the financial performance question, sir. Here, can you management give the overview of the company's performance and also what is the key challenges faced during the year, and also so what is the company revenue growth, profit growth outlook for financial 25-26? Are there any cost cutting or any or efficiency improvement initiative any planned? I would like to know about the production portfolio innovation question. Are there any new product launches or the innovations in this pipeline? And another one, how is the company adapting the changing consumer preferences? This is very important. Please throw some information. And also the expansion exports. Are there any plans to expand the manufacturing capacity to enter new markets? And also what percentage of revenue comes from the export? And are there efforts to grow the and also sustainability and ESG question? What steps are company taking towards the sustainability and environment friendly production? And is there any no questions on the resolution? I'm supporting strongly the supporting on the resolution. So I wish all the best to company secretary, send him in the annual report, send him in the link, and also the wonderful the transparency, innovation relationships. God bless you. Please continue the VC, sir. We can able to attend anywhere in the global, the future coming financial. Also, please continue, sir. Chairman, sir, we have faith in the report, trust on the report. Go ahead and take up about the decision, sir. Sir, we hopefully in coming financial will achieve many more higher awards in coming financials under your leadership. So, wish good wisdom. I pray God to give the wisdom, health, happiness, entire board members, families, and hardworking employees, all hardworking company secretary team, entire team. God bless you. The happy and proud sheriff from Hyderabad. All the best. Reddappa Gunduru, attending from Hyderabad. God bless you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Take care. Take care. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. J. Abhishek. Sir, you are now unmuted. You may please go ahead. Mr. Abhishek, are you there?
Moderator has kept me in loop. Okay, now it's enabled. So first of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of 90th annual general body meeting. So trust all is well with you and your family in this challenging situation. Our company deserves much more respect than the current market cap after completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, and becoming one of the strongest brands in the respective segment. So as of date, how many employees are there in the company? What are the steps being taken by the management to reduce the other expenses, legal professional charges, and the audit fees? So myself and my team are running a legal firm in the name and style of Seven Hills Associates. So I request the management to kindly enroll the firm in the empanelment of the company, and we will be glad to extend our services. So what are the steps being taken by the management to improve the ROE, return on equity, C ratio, and the EPS? I would like to know from you, sir. So I would request the management to kindly consider hybrid AGMs in the years to come, because most of the senior citizens are not able to join because of the digital challenges in this virtual platform. So if you can kindly consider hybrid AGMs in the years to come, more number of shareholders can join you in the meeting. You can get the valuable points, suggestions, and ideas that will be helpful for the management to empower in the coming future. So kindly arrange a planned visit for the investor fraternity in the upcoming year. And what are the steps? What are the new innovations, ideas that the independent directors are bringing on the table to guide the next generation? I would like to know from you, sir. And most of my questions have been asked by my pre-order shareholders, and I've sent my questions via email also, so I shall restrict the questions here in the interest of time. And I would request the management to kindly take care of the hospitality part of the investor fraternity who have joined this virtual conference. Kindly send your product samples, Eveready batteries, to the investor fraternity who have joined this virtual meeting and made your 90th annual general body meeting a grand success. So kindly give us an opportunity to meet you and greet you, sir, whenever we come down to Kolkata. And the company is doing really well. Company has very good corporate governance practice. I do appreciate the management for that. Nothing much to ask. I wish the company and the board of directors a great success and prosperity in the coming future. And thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. One more shareholder, Mr. Prakash Chand Galada, is also registered speaker shareholder, but is not able to join from his own device because of the technical difficulties in e-voting platform and traffic. So kindly allow him to join from this device, sir. Thank you very much.
Hello.
IN 301356.
Having shareholders for last quite number of years, and been selling your products in our showroom with good confidence. In fact, we have been selling directly from your direct billing. Now, of late, there has been no good products are coming. What is the new product going to come? That will be wonderful and it will be useful. You have a good old record of good products, but of late, the things have been going out of shape. So please improve it. And then what is the new product going to come? Please let us know. Right, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mr. Sujan Modak. So you are now unmuted. You can please ask a question and you can switch on your video if you wish so.
Hello, you can hear me? Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, other Board of Directors, I am Sujan Modak. I am attending this meeting from my residence in Kolkata. First of all, I'd like to welcome our new Company Secretary, Ma'am Sampa Ghosh Ray. Ma'am, you have joined last year, 1st December. So joining our family is very nice, but I know you from your previous company also, ma'am. Thank you for joining our company. Sir, our result is very good. You have given 30% dividend. It's very, very nice, sir. I have a few questions, sir. This lighting and electrical product section, how much market we have captured so far? If you can please tell us. I believe that you will have this data with you. And sir, is there any plan for solar cell business to enter? If at all, if you can please tell us. Now, sir, manufacturing facilities we have in India. So how much capacity utilization in our plants we are doing at this moment? That's my third question. if possible, please arrange a factory visit. I have never seen our factory, so it will be very nice. And sir, my last question is that the main challenges we are getting from this cheap product, especially on the lighting section, bulbs and all. So how our company is trying to overcome that challenges, if you can please tell. Nothing to add more. Over to you for further proceedings. But before that, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, our new company secretary, Sampa Ghosare, and her whole team, especially Kanchan Pandey ma'am also, for doing a very good investor services to the investors community. Kanchan ma'am, if you're listening, namaskar, thank you. Sampa ma'am, thank you very much. Chairman sir, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We shall now invite the next speaker, Mrs. Chandravati Gatani. You are now unmuted. You may please speak after introducing yourself.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, respected Chairman, sir, and all other board members present in the meeting. I, Chandravati Gatani, equity shareholder of Eveready Industries India Limited, one of the most iconic consumer brands, specially known for its dry cell batteries and flashlights. Thank you very much to our secretarial team. Thank you, Kanchan ma'am. Sent annual report timely and give me an opportunity to express myself. I strongly support all the resolutions, sir. The annual report is very detailed. Our company has shown resilient performance through operational excellence, focused domestic strategy, and consistent financial growth. The company remains on a strong trajectory heading into financial year 2025-26 with enhanced shareholder value and strategic product innovation. Our company unveiled India's first hybrid power torch combining rechargeable and double A battery modes for uninterrupted lighting. Dividend 1 rupees 50 paisa. Increased dividend reflects confidence in cash flows and profitability. Capital allocation indicates a balance between rewarding shareholder and retaining earnings for growth. Eveready's move suggests a steady hand in financial management and a nod to shareholder loyalty. We are very confident in our company as we can see the dedication of the management to create a long-term value for us as shareholder. Best wishes for a better height. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So we will move to our first speaker, shareholder, Mr. Manjeet Singh. So I think he's not there in the meeting. So thank you, everyone. There are no more speakers. Over to you, Managing Director, sir.
Okay, I'll take on the questions now and I'll try to give answers to them to the best of my ability. I'll start with Miss Lily Pradhan. First of all, I acknowledge gratefully the words of appreciation. You have asked a question on energy conservation. As you know, we have made a mention of it in our annual report also. We have adopted ISO 50001, which is a certified energy management system. And this is across all our manufacturing operations to optimize energy usage and reduce greenhouse emission. You have asked about the long-term vision for batteries. As you know, we are an entrenched consumer battery player. Our market share exceeds 50%. It is about 53%. And we plan on staying as a very dominant leader in this market. You have asked about rechargeable batteries. Yes, we are also, we have rechargeable batteries as part of our battery portfolio, and we are fairly successful in that. I move on to Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta. Mr. Gupta, you have asked about the future plan of the company, future plans for the company. Business-wise, as you know, we are in batteries, flashlights, and lighting. All these three business verticals provide ample opportunities for growth, and our current focus is to make sure that we explore the entire potential that exists within each of these verticals and currently, that is what we are working on in the current financial year. You have asked about the export of Eveready brand. Unfortunately, we do not have Eveready brand other than in India and Nepal. As a result, we cannot export in products in brand Eveready. However, we do that in a brand called Lava. Our current presence in the export market is pretty limited, but as we bring alkaline manufacturing into our basket, we should be able to look at exporting these batteries, maybe in Lava brand or in white label. You have talked of ESG rating. We have an ESG committee that to drive sustainable development. Our ESG rating is not yet due. It would be due from next year. And of course, we will comply with that. We do conduct regular stack emission monitoring at all our plants. Jammu plant completion is on target. We plan to start commercial production by the end of this financial year, and we stay sort of, on target with that. The cost of the plant would be 180 crores at this point of time, and again, we are on target with that. I respectfully disagree with you on one point that you made, that we are weak in West and Central. Our market share position in batteries and flashlights, batteries, as I said, is 53%. That is uniform all across. Okay, there are small pockets here and there, but to say that we are weak in entire West or Central is not really accurate. However, we take your point respectfully, and we will see that, if you have observed any pocket where we are weak, we will try to improve ourselves. Our place in lighting is yet not very large because we have been a recent entrant. We are large in one product segment of the lighting portfolio, which is emergency bulb, where we would rank among the first 3 players in the market. You have been asked about double-like returns. I can assure you that as management, as board of directors, we are completely engaged with making our company's profitability, our top line, bottom line better. So once we manage to do that, and we have managed to do that, I'm sure the returns will flow back to the shareholders. I come to Dipayan Pradhan. You have asked how do we maintain our leadership position vis-a-vis players like Exide and Amara Raja. I would respectfully like to correct your impression on one thing. We are not in the same market as Exide and Amara Raja, who are in large format batteries. We are in consumer sales, and we are the market leader. With regard to efficiency in manufacturing, yes, we do track efficiency in manufacturing by ensuring that our productivity is high, labor productivity high, machine productivity, scrap. We try to make sure that defectives are the lowest. So we track all parameters that encompasses smart manufacturing. With regard to our case going on at NCLAT, the case is in hearing. There is an appeal from the company which is currently being heard. So there has been no conclusion on that process yet. Mr. Santosh Kumar Sara, gratefully acknowledge the appreciation, and I would say that we do keep looking and exploring at adjacent product categories like solar products. We do have some small format solar products, but whether we should go further more into this is something that we routinely keep exploring. Your point on home lighting is sort of well received. We are in home lighting, and we will continue to explore further portfolio enlargement in this particular segment. As far as carbon emission is concerned, yes, we do we have installed solar power plants in all our manufacturing locations. We have tried to transition to renewable energy use through use of LED lights, natural ventilation to reduce dependence on electricity. I think I have. Oh, you have one more point on debt equity ratio. I would like to happy to announce that our debt equity ratio stood at 1.8 in 2021, which is now down to 0.7. Mr. Pathak, again gratefully acknowledge the appreciation. I have already. You have asked about the commercial production at Jammu. I have already covered that. The alkaline perspective is something which has led us to this particular manufacturing option, because that is the most exciting part of the battery market now. It is growing rapidly. Last year we grew both value and volume upwards of 50%. So we think this is one area which we need to really focus on, and that is how Jammu plant was conceived, and it is now on track to be starting commercial production by end of this financial year. We routinely do new products development, whether it is in flashlights, in lights, and also adjacent product categories. E-commerce, you have mentioned, yes, it is a focus area of attention for us. E-commerce and particularly quick commerce is extremely important for our product categories, and we are extremely mindful of that. Electrical accessories, yes, we do some accessories through our lighting distribution, and we will keep adding whatever we think is relevant for the distribution system. You have mentioned about profitability. Yes, there is focus on profitability. We have been able to expand margin in the financial year under review, and we will continue to endeavor improving on that. Debt equity ratio I have already covered. I have covered market share in batteries, which stands at 53%. You have also asked about the export strategy of the company, which I have also covered in an earlier question. Everspark is a small subsidiary which we used to strategically use for our procurements from particularly China, and this is under review whether we need to carry on with it or really not carry on. That is something that we will keep you highlighted on this, updated on this. The CCI matter, which is in NCLET, I have already covered. Working capital management continues to be a high priority area for us, and we have been improving on all parameters, whether it is receivables, inventory holding, and whatever other current assets. Mr. Dilip Kumar Das, we acknowledge your appreciation and the good wishes. You have asked about the adoption of AI in our operations. Yes, we do have AI woven into many of our functions like logistics, like preventive maintenance, etc., etc. So obviously, everybody these days has to adopt to AI, and we are also doing the same. Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta, your suggestions are well noted. We really acknowledge the detailed reading that you have given to the annual report. It was, an erudite reading of the report, and thank you for that. You have asked about ESG rating, which I have covered in an earlier question. You have also asked about any plans on inorganic acquisition. No, we don't at this point of time have any plan, but of course, the company remains open as and when an opportunity arises. Mr. Taraknath Chakravarti, I again acknowledge your kind words and the compliments. We have noted your point on the presentation of the annual report, and we will, that is well noted. Mr. Sudipto Chakravarti, we again acknowledge your kind words and extremely grateful for your custom. I'm happy to know that you are buying our products. Please keep doing so. How do we control interest cost? As I said, as I covered some time back, our debt equity ratio keeps coming down, reflecting, the company's focus on making sure that the debt number comes down. If debt number comes down, interest cost automatically gets reduced. You have talked of green energy. I have covered that earlier. Mr. Gautam Nandi, again, very grateful for your custom. You have asked about the roadmap for business. I have mentioned a little while back about our three verticals, and you know how engaged we are to explore the full potential that is there in these three existing verticals. Adoption of technology. We adopt technology in all our processes. We are powered by an ERP system, which is SAP. We are powered by, sales automation tools. Our sales force, they carry handhelds where they capture, the orders from the market, etc., etc. We have demand planning systems. So, adoption of technology, I would say, is of a very high order. Safety standards, yes, we are extremely mindful of safety and we try to adhere to the highest standards possible. Diversification is a routine exploration by management, and if there is anything that comes up, we obviously will keep you updated on that. Mr. Atunu Saha, you have also asked about our future plans. I have covered that through our, about our businesses. Your suggestion on CSR is noted, but I would like to highlight that we already have a program called Saksham, which caters to, sports related CSR activities. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, growth priorities, as I have said, all our three verticals have potential to grow and we are focusing on the same. We deeply appreciate all the kind comments and also grateful for your custom. Market share, I have already covered. I have already also covered the status of Jammu, which remains on track. Export, again, I have said that we are currently operating on a very small base, but hopefully in future, we should be able to improve upon that. Impact of FX, yes, we do have impact of FX on our profitability, but with prudent hedging, we try to minimize such impacts. Mr. Gunduluru, again, acknowledge the appreciation and also grateful for your custom. Cost cutting, profit growth for 25-26, you have sort of asked for some highlight. As I said, that we would like to grow our top line in a healthy manner, which provides for profitability. You have asked about consumer loyalty. Obviously, as an FMCG organization, that is our first and foremost priority. Our exports, as I mentioned before, is still very small. It is about 2% of our turnover, but we hope to grow in future. Manufacturing capacity, we have abundant manufacturing capacity because there are some of the types in battery which have over time become very small, like the big D size battery, the C size battery, etc. The ones which are regularly in business are AA and AAA, where our capacities in utilization varies between 75% and 85%. So we still have headroom there for growth. Mr. Abhishek, you have asked about, how do we improve our ROI, P ratio, EPS. These are all derivatives from our business profitability. As I said, that is our focus area. So as we improve profitability, this ROI, PE, and EPS get, immediately better. I thank you for offering your services. We have noted that. Mr. Modak, lighting market share, we are very, very small at this point of time. We have just crossed 300 crores in the year under review. However, our aspirations are high and we hope to grow market share. As you know, lighting market is a crowded market. There are some 12 to 15 large players. We are one of them. However, the market size being very small, we see opportunity for us to grow bigger from the size that we are currently in. Solar products I have already covered. You have talked about profitability of lighting. We are at this point of time break even. As we improve our turnover size, profitability is something that's going to happen in the course of the coming times. Ms. Chandravati, acknowledge your appreciation, and I note all your points and comments, and we will certainly take all that into cognizance as we go forward. I think I have covered everyone. So that's all from my side. Thank you once again for your valuable time and contributions. I now hand over the proceedings to the Company Secretary.
This brings us to the end of the question answer session. Chairman, sir. Sir, you're muted. Chairman, sir, you're still muted.
Chairman, sir, you are muted.
Got it. Got it. Now I'm not anymore. Thank you. I trust the members who have not cast their votes by availing the e-voting facility have cast their votes during the meeting. And if you haven't done that even, you've got 30 minutes till after the conclusion of the meeting to cast your votes. I request the company secretary to apprise you about the details on the voting results.
After the conclusion of the meeting, the scrutinizer will count the votes cast during this meeting and the votes cast through remote e-voting and shall submit his consolidated report within the requisite time from the conclusion of the meeting. The voting results shall be submitted to the stock exchanges and uploaded on the company's website for information of all concerned, as well as put up on the notice board of the company at its registered office. I thank all the shareholders, members of the board, auditors, and the management team for joining this meeting over video conference.
The business of the meeting is now complete. Thank you for all for joining the 90th annual general meeting of Eveready Industries India Limited. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Tech team, are we offline?
Is started.
Thank you to all the directors for joining, sir. You can log out if you want. Thank you so much, sir.